Hello friend, in this video we will discuss the different type of plastic parts used in the automobile and the benefits of using the plastic products in the automobile industry. Also we will discuss the design consideration that needs to be taken into account when using the plastic product in the automobile. So plastic products are having the very good properties like lightweight, easy to mold, it's a cost, easily available. So these are the main properties of the plastic parts, and we know that the plastic is widely used in different types of automobile like in cars. Okay, so some of the plastic used in the automobile includes the bumpers, fender, dashboard, headlight. There are number of benefits of using the plastic product in the automobile. So first one is the plastic parts are much lighter than the metal part, okay, which means that they can help to improve the fuel efficiency of the car. Okay, second one is the plastic parts are much cheaper to produce than the metal parts. So because the moldability of the plastic parts is much higher, so we can mold easily. Okay, so this can help to reduce the cost of the production, okay, in terms of the process. Okay, and third one is the plastic part can be molded into different shape and size, as I already discussed. So we can easily mold into different shape and size, and complicated shape also we can achieve easily. Fourth one is the plastic parts are more durable than the metal part in a certain applications. If you take the example, plastic bumpers can withstand the impact better than the metal bumper. So let's discuss about the design consideration that we need to take into account while using the plastic product for the automobile components. First one is the plastic parts need to be designed with a high degree of accuracy to ensure that they fit perfectly into the car body. Okay, this is the first consideration. So second one is the plastic part need to be designed to withstand the high temperature and the high pressure. Third one is the plastic part need to be designed to resist the ultraviolet radiation. So if our plastic parts is not resist to ultraviolet radiation, then it become very brittle and crack over the time. Fourth one is the plastic part need to be designed so that we can easily recyclable. So we need to choose the plastic so that after use or we can easily recycle. Now let's take some example to understand the plastic components in the automobile industry. So in the past, bumper are made up of metal, but nowadays they are mostly made up of the plastic components. The plastic bumpers are lightweight, cheaper to produce, and can easily molded into different shape and size. Next example, you can take the dashboard. Okay, so the dashboard of the car is often made up of the plastic components only. Okay, so the plastic dashboard can be molded into different shape and size, and they are lightweight and the durable. And you can take the example of door panel also. So the door panel are commonly in many cars, and they are lightweight and they can be designed to have a smooth surface finish, and which makes them easy to clean. Okay, so generally if you see, the door panel is made up of the plastic components only. Okay, and the engine components, like many engine components such as air intake manifold are made up of the plastic. Okay, so the plastic part can withstand the high temperature and the high pressure. Okay, and they also resistance to the corrosion also. And if you see the headlights of the car, the plastic lenses are often used in the car headlights, and the plastic lenses are lightweight, durable, and they can be designed to have the sufficient level of transparency and the light dispersion. Okay, also in the interior trim, plastic is often used for the interior trim, and such as seat belt, armrest, okay, are made up of the plastic components only. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.